With summer here, some of my favorite seasonal fruits are ready to be enjoyed. In this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to pick a mango and cut it up for you to enjoy. If that's something you wanna see, just keep watching. These are mangoes. So, first thing is, this is the ideal mango. Like I said, you should see a little sticky icky on the top. The little sheen is actually the sweetness coming out of that cut end, and mostly a red, orange, and yellow hue, and it should be soft and pliant towards the stem. It shouldn't be super hard. Okay, then I did get this one right here, to show you that there's a little bit of softness right there. Even though it's a green hue, that's okay. This is probably as green as I would go because it's now turning. And then I have another one right here. This one's actually a little bit old, so I wanted to show you. We have some sticky icky, but you see this wrinkling, that's showing that it's a little bit old. However, I've had this one in cold storage for a little bit, so I was ready to just say, okay, let's cut it and see what happens to it. So let's start off. So when looking at a mango, you'll see that it kind of has a narrow end and then a wide end. That's with the stem end being at the top, pointing at the bottom. So what you want to do is find the narrowest end, and that's what we're looking at right here. And what we call these is the cheeks, like booty cheeks. Okay, and that's where we're going to slice. Where the stem end is where the pit of the mango is. So the easiest thing to do is take your knife, go maybe about a ½ an inch. There you go, ½ an inch. You want to cut straight down, and there's one cheek. And right here, you can almost see the outline of it, is the seed, the pit. We're gonna turn it around, go to the other side. There we go. Okay, so now, see the pit? You see the pit. Now what you can do is you can just go ahead and use this as a snack. But what we're going to do right now is actually cut until we touch the seed. And then we're gonna angle our knife, and we're gonna go around the seed, just like that. Okay. And you just put your knife along the seed. Till you get back to the top. Now, of course, you can cut that little stem end off. And then you can go ahead and either give this to your kids, let them nibble on it, or nibble on it on yourself. It's actually pretty good. So, I'm gonna use that for a snack. Then, now that you have that, you have your two sides, you have your two cheeks. Next, you can just eat this as is, or make sure you run your knife right along. There we go. Same thing under here. Get it close to the skin, keep your fingers above your knife, and run it. Oops, there we go. Done. And then you can dice these the way you would normally dice. And that's how we take care of the seed piece. Okay, so we have our two cheeks. We're going to take one of our cheeks. We're going to use the tip of our knife and make slicing motions. We're just going to cut to the skin, but not all the way through the skin. Then we're gonna do a cross hatch, like so. And this is making a large dice. Okay, and then you pop this guy out, just like that. You make a little porcupine. You take your knife, you go through, and when it's soft mango like this cuts like butter. There you go. Same thing over here. You just follow the skin. Just follow the skin. There you go. And you notice I am cutting away from myself so we don't make any mistakes. There we go. Okay, those end pieces are a little ugly because this is a small mango, but no worries. There we go. Doop. And there we have our done deal and our diced mango. Do a slice, take the spoon, go around and under. Okay, you got that. Pretty empty. Okay, and you can either do your mango slices all the way through, or you can do your nice large diced mango. Turn them around. Okay, and we have some nice diced mango that way. Then we do a thin mango slice, like so. And put that on garnish, make that a garnish. Put that in your cereal, your oatmeal. And this is how you cut a mango. In the comments below, let me know what you thought of these tips and tricks, and go ahead and check out my other videos on this playlist right here. I'll see you next time.